Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the Ionic Design Kit, a toolkit that speeds up mobile app design and development. We'll look at how you can quickly create a product details screen with it. Let's get started. On the left side of your screen, we have code snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, you'll see the layout built with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, a phone emulator is set up to show our code running in real time. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need a closer look. So what's the Ionic Design Kit? This kit includes a wide range of ready-to-use elements, so designers can quickly add pieces into their layouts without starting from scratch. Everything comes directly from the Ionic framework, making it simple for developers to integrate. The whole idea is to speed up the process, so teams can focus on building a smooth, engaging user experience. Now, let's talk about an essential part of any shopping app, the product details screen. This screen gives users the key info they need about a product, like descriptions, specs, pricing, and images, to help them make informed buying choices. When done well, it adds to the overall shopping experience, making it more intuitive and enjoyable. This guide shows you how to set up a product details screen that's easy to navigate and visually appealing using Ionic Design Kit components, ensuring a consistent look that keeps users engaged. And remember, all the code snippets are available on our website, so you'll always have what you need. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more guides, and let's keep pushing your designs and development forward.